First of all, thanks to Kumar sir who has invited in this meeting, and thanks to all members who has given golden opportunity to present. 8 minutes or 10 minutes?
10 minutes.
10 minutes. Thank you very much. So I have 2 minutes more extra time. So friends, this is my small glance of my life, and we need your all support to ensure. You can see here 1 crore life. So need your all support. Alone is not possible.
It's a numerology, is it? 7th October 2000.
Yeah. So need your all support. Dear, please connect me. So friends, please keep ready because this follow will take you something new also. So you can write down if something important for you. Small achievement, you can judge who are there. This is from LIC of India. Past 27 years associate, and a stamp photo also is there. So that's the performance of LIC.
You have a stand.
Yeah, stamp in my hand. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yes.
We can buy from.
This one more. Guinness Book record. Out of 26 company, LIC has done. My contribution also there, and my name is there. You can see, friends. Yes. Thank you very much. With your all blessing, it is happening. Now we'll come to the real show of this today. In mobile, there will be 2 SIMs. Correct? There will be 2 SIMs. But you know the entrepreneurs also have the 2 roles. How many people know there is a 2 roles of entrepreneurs? Little bit have interactions, so you will be remember. Right? So who is a creator here? The man is a creator. Correct? And one side family, another side is business. But if you not make any system, firewall in between, what will happen? When family disturb, business disturb. When business disturb, family disturb. This is happening or not real life?
Yes.
अरे आज बात मत करो, टेंशन बहुत है, काम तो बहुत पड़ा है. Correct? It is happening to family or not? What is the wrong with that family? अभी फैमिली में सुबह कुछ लफड़ा हो गया, चाहे कहीं छत पे गिर गया तो वो जाकर के मैनेजर को झाड़ देगा. So control yourself, friend. Keep the real life of this family. So friends, we are. मैं एक छोटी सी स्टोरी बताता हूँ. One gentleman so busy for what? To maintain the happy family. 1 day, 2 days, 3 days call, is so busy, is not able to receive the call also. Then luckily one day after follow-up, one day I got. Then he said, sir, I am busy with project and family. As earlier I said, there's 2 roles. Then I asked them, sir, are you really busy with meaningful or just busy? What is meaning of this? I said, you are busy to create what? And for what? To maintain happy, to keep your family maintain happy, correct? But if anything goes wrong on your life, who will be maintain your this factory and your family life? Have you thought of that? How it is going to maintain? And friends, 95% in India still are vacates. These thoughts are not there. This is called parallelly guaranteed passive income. When anything goes wrong, it will be very, very difficult to maintain. If anything goes wrong on life, what are the loss will happen? I asked this gentleman, how many risks on life? Anybody knows? This is a complete education slot. It's not to sell. Complete education slot. How many risk on life? Huh, sir?
Life itself is a risk.
Yeah. But I have found out there is a 6 risk on life. One is a professional risk, which you creating, you can face, but 5 is a God-made risk. If anything one found wrong, please correct me. One is accident. Morning will go to office, we don't know which way will come back to home. Either your mistakes or others' mistake. Here one dialogue says, जब हम रोड पे चलते हैं, तो अपनी या दूसरों की गलती से गिरते हैं, लेकिन उठते हैं ऊपर वाले की मर्जी से.
क्या बात है.
Thank you, friends. So second is a, after COVID has increased, there is a no age bracket also. That is called major disease. So many times I've heard this 22, 25 years old is no more now. This is happening, correct? When it is earning person happen on this family, what will happen? Friends, believe me, this family will minimum 15 to 20 years will go back, will go down. Third is aging. Age. You will celebrate a birthday, correct? But you cannot stop that. That is a nature, it will be fall. And fourth, many reasons it will happen the death. And sixth, you have very good plan, everything's plan. Apart of that, some emergency funds are required, and that also power can be happen with the life insurance. So all risk free of cost, you can invest happily and enjoy your journey of the destination. So if any goes wrong on income, what are the losses will happen? These 3 losses will happen, friends. One is a emotional loss. Nobody can replace in this world. Because relation with family, relation with kids, relation with parents is only individual property. Nobody can replace. Second also is a very good losses here. That is called social and net worth. When person dies, everything will vanish. And third is a very, very important, which family will go down 15 to 20 years. That is called economic and financial death. So 3 deaths will happen, not only 1 death will happen. When incomes dies, 3 deaths will happen. So before happening anything goes wrong, please take care. Meet at least Pandit and give the chance to meet your best friends. Thank you very much. Now how many people want to this? If you are really love your family, please have guaranteed passive income, lifelong, and generation to generation you can create from day one. Apart of anything is of the life risk. Thank you very much. Now we are a businessman, correct? Second vertical I am taking. What is a business? Business is a bunch of all the things, correct? Now we'll see the later on. Is it not risk on this? So successor risk is there. Many people will have any problems, they will find out successor when we get. These are the all you have to plan it in advance. Business in solving, whatever you do, but apart of that also, lot of risk will involve in this. Correct? So these are the things, risk are there, friends. In COVID, lockdown, we have seen that, na? Many jumps are happening, but there is a no nets, safety nets. So don't be there. I am here. I'll give you your business safety nets, and you can enjoy your journey with you. Thank you, friends. And why safety net is required, you can listen here. This is the real fact. Correct?
Yes.
Both are rich and wealthy, but this the problem has faced. It is not from me, it is from global. So these are the my gifts, small gifts I have written here. Lot of things are there. So you can connect to me. These are all are my customers, and this my ask. And this is the thank you opportunity for given. I am in YouTube channel also. There are 500 videos are there, all are live. So thank you very much for given the opportunity.
And it's lovely.
Thank you.